Hello everybody, today I'm show you how to use my DIY Tawak Plate to do front squat. Today is week 1. Okay, we do warm up first before we proceed to the front squat. This is a 23 kilogram and I'm going to do it 5 reps. Yeah. Okay, warm up set to 28 kilogram for 5 reps. Okay, after warm up, we move to the real set. This is 37 kilogram and this is the first set. And I'm going to do it 5 reps. Yeah. Okay, this is set to 43 kilogram for 5 reps. Yeah. Hello to my pretty coach. So today she is monitoring me to do front squat and as well as back squat. Okay, last set of front squat. So this is the third set and I'm going to do it around more than 5 reps and this one is 48 kilogram. Oh yes.
Cards in my hand aren't shining no more. I don't know if I can do this anymore.
Okay guys, let's wrap this up. Today I just did front squat 48 kg for 10 reps. It is my new achievement. And if you guys like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel Monty John Man, and the grace of God with you all. Stay safe and see you guys next week.